Hola beauties, and welcome back to my channel. I know I look a little bit different, but yes, it is me, Ursula, the enhancer of enhanced beauty, and I would like to welcome you to the channel that is all about all things beauty. That is your hair, your makeup, and your fashion. Okay, let me just go ahead and address the elephant in the room. Yes, I am rocking a new look. I had a birthday that just passed. Y'all, I was feeling some type of way. So I had my birthday coming up. I was like, I want a new look. And finally, I was like, I'm cutting my hair off and I'm going platinum blonde. Of course, no one believed me. So anyway, long story short, we are here. All right. In today's video, I am showing you how to take and edit. Well, not really how to take. What I'm showing you is how to edit your pictures for Instagram. Now, as I stated in the vlog, if you watch my vlog, if you haven't, make sure you watch it. It's called Trapped. At the end of that video, I actually said that I would bring this video to you all. So what I want to do, because I've had several people ask me, what do you use? What type of camera do you use? What apps do you use? How do you edit your pictures? Are you editing your pictures? And to answer that question, yes, I do edit my pictures. If you are a creator, whether you're a hairstylist, makeup artist, photographer, you own a business, no matter what, if you are using the social media marketing tool, you need to be editing your videos because you want to put your best work out there. You want it to look good. You need to grab that attention. And they see something that they like. I mean, you have to have excellent quality in whatever you do, whatever you're putting out there. So I try my best to put excellent quality into every video and picture that I post. Make sure you are following my Instagram page. I have two. I have my business page at enhanced_beauty and then my fashion page at Curvy Girl Style Guide. So anyway, make sure you are following and make sure you are subscribed to this channel. If you have not subscribed, click that red button and subscribe and click that little bell right next to it so you will always know when I upload a video. Back to why we are here. I want to show you today how I edit my pictures. Now, I don't use a whole lot. I'm not doing major editing. What I do is I enhance the quality of my photo. That's what I do. I only use one app, and that is Facetune. I use it because it has everything. You can lighten, you can brighten, you can darken. And as I'm doing it, I'll explain what everything is, just in case you don't know. I don't want to continue to babble on because I have been accused of talking too much. I want to make sure I'm hitting all points and I'm answering your question and you don't even need to ask it. So that's why I have a tendency of talking too much. If you would like to know how to edit your Instagram photos, just keep watching. Let's begin by opening up the Facetune app and scrolling through your camera roll to find a picture that you want to edit. Here, I'm choosing to edit a fashion picture. I then go and scroll to the edit mode. Once I'm in the edit mode, I begin with brightness. I always scroll all the way up to see just how bright I want the picture. And if it's too bright, I come back down to the desired shade of the picture that I like. Then I go to contrast. And when you're contrasting, you're bringing different tones back into the picture. And then I sharpen. Now here you have to be careful because you don't want to sharpen too much to where it looks fake. But once you've reached the desired sharpness, now I'm ready for saturation. And this is where you bring color back into the picture without going too orangey. You may have to adjust it to what you like. And then the temperature. I like to bring the temperature down some where you can still see the whiteness in it. Now, once I've done that, I now go into the retouch mode. When I get into the retouch mode, I begin with whitening the picture. Now, when you're whitening the picture, you're bringing the picture brighter. You're making your background white. And here you can see where I'm taking my fingertip and I'm just scrolling all along the background, being careful not to touch myself in the picture because then wherever you touch, you're going to have to go back in and erase. But I'm going all along the background. Everywhere you see it turning white, I'm using my fingertip and being really careful. Then I adjust it and I bring it all the way to 100 because I want it really bright. Now you can choose not to bring it all the way to 100. You adjust it to the desired color that you like. But once it's there, everywhere you will be able to see where you didn't really whiten. And then I just take my fingertip and go over it until all of the background is white, exactly how I want it, including the front of my dress. And now I go into the detail mode. And here you just take your fingertips and on each item that you want to detail, like my handbag and my shoes, I just take my fingertip and shade it. And then once I do that, I go into the vibrance mode. And then the vibrant, I want to bring my bag vibrant. I want to make my shoes. I don't really touch my skin. So then once I'm done with that, I exit out of that and I go into the patch mode because I know you see this brown thing here. So I take my fingertip and I highlight it. And once it's highlighted, it will disappear. And see, and then I may have to go in and get a little bit more and you just shade it until you're done. And now I go into defocus. And what I do here is I like to blur my background. Not too much, but just enough. And then once I'm done, do you see this? The difference? Now you're ready to save it to your camera roll. Voila. And now let me show you how I edit a makeup shot. Let's go into Facetune, choose a picture. Here I'm using a birthday shot. The first thing I do is go into the edit mode. Once I'm there, I begin with brightness. Remember, you brighten it as far as you desire without going too far to doing too much. Then once you're there, you're ready to contrast, and that's bringing the tones, deepening those tones and the differences of the colors into the picture. And then you're ready to sharpen your picture. Remember, when you sharpen, you don't want to make it look fake. You want to just make it just a little crisp and clear. Once you sharpen, you're ready for the saturation. The saturation will bring that color tone into your picture. You don't want to make yourself too orange, so be careful. And now for the temperature. I told you I like a little bit of whiteness, so I like to tone it down just a little bit. And once I tone it down, I'm done with that portion, and now I'm going into the retouch mode. Here, I will begin with smoothing, and I'm taking my fingertip and tapping over my face to smooth it just a little bit without doing too much. Then I go into the details mode, and all these details in this picture, I'm rubbing my finger over them. My earrings, the balloons in the background, the happy birthday sign, all of that. And then I'm ready to go into the vibrance mode. Now, this is makeup. You want to be careful, so I only use my fingertip and I tap. I tap the balloons in the background, I tap my earrings, I tap my lips, and I tap my eye area because I just want to enhance the colors that are already there. Then once I'm done with that, I exit out. And do you see this? Before and after. Now it's ready to save to the camera roll. I told you I only enhance. Hope that was very helpful to everyone. I hope I didn't confuse you. If you have any more questions, or if I didn't explain something as well as you needed it or in depth, please leave a comment down below, but make sure you all keep the comments very respectful. If you like what you've seen here, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you click that bell and give this video a thumbs up. I have explained it over and over again. That like in this YouTube community means so much. And please share it. And if you know somebody else that want to be able to slay his or her photos on Instagram, just share this video. And y'all already know. Stay popping. I will catch each of you in the next video. Adios, beauties.